Okay, I'm at the Dr. John Thomas Bridge, and yeah, last time I was here, this was low. It has rained so much that I can't even see the bottom of the creek. This bridge is probably 10, 15 feet in the air, and this is how much rain we've gotten. Water is just almost under the bridge. Oh, and it looks like we have some new bird feeders or bird houses. That's nice. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. This is insane. Yep. This is all underwater. Look at that. Whew. Yep. Here we are. Farther down is the canoe campsite, but from the looks, I don't know if anyone notices this, but yeah, padlocks all over the place. All sorts of padlocks. Oh wow, yeah. Normally you can see these beams a lot more, but yeah, it is, wow. It's totally underwater, meaning I probably will not be able to reach the canoe campsite, because if this creek is that deep, it's going to be deep over there. Yep, I'm already starting to see some water over there. Alright, I'm going to cut this off, and yeah, look at that. Took about a lot more walking. Yeah, there's water over here too. No horses allowed. Yep. Well, let's get to it.